Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. We always want to be close to the beach, and here I have 6 oceanfront condos for you to look at. Come and see. So all these units are available furnished or unfurnished. You know what to do. Give us a like, subscribe, click on the link here below for more information, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.